This rosary feels more like a keepsake than something basic. The blue cat eye gemstones, the silver toned crucifix, and the vintage style beautiful jewelry box that makes it feel ready to gift. Velvet interior. So let's go back to the rosary. The blue cat eye gemstones, the beads, they give it a beautiful, rich look without feeling too flashy. Look at Mary there. So beautiful. And there's the crucifix. So beautiful. So beautiful. The engraved box, gorgeous. Last Supper. And then the velvet interior. So thoughtful for keeping the rosary safe and secure. The flower detail, and it has some weight to it. This rosary is handmade, and it's got 8 to 9 millimeter beads, and it's 23 inches in length. So it's a nice presence in your hand. And why this gift set stands out, it is meaningful for First Communions, baptisms, or for really anybody who loves a beautiful Catholic piece. The blue color, so pretty. Makes it feel elegant and so special. This is the kind of rosary keepsake that somebody's going to keep for years and years, use in prayer, and display as a cherished faith piece. Highly recommend this beauty.